Hello everyone, and today we're going to discuss a very important topic, which is how to secure our passwords. You have been told your whole digital life to create a strong password. You use capital letters, numbers, maybe a symbol, and you'll feel pretty secure, right? What if I told you that you're probably still making a mistake, a critical mistake, a mistake that makes all those efforts almost useless? Yes. So by end of this video, you will know exactly what I mean here and how to fix it for good. So watch this video till the end and understand it. We all know that basic don't use password like password 123. We've been told to make it complex, so we come up with a best password, something like say summer 2024, having S capital, numbers, alphanumeric characters and all those things. It got capital letters, numbers, symbols, and it looks strong, right? But here the one mistake you are doing, which is reusing it or making tiny predictable variations across different sites. If your password for a Facebook is like summer 2024 and for the other side you're using some symbol and having the same password, and for the other side like a banking side you're using same password having some different symbols in it, you are doing one thing, which is called you are making a mistake with respect to domino effects. Let me show you why this is so dangerous. So it's called domino effect. Imagine that pizza recipe forum you sign up for a year ago and get hacked. The hacker don't care about the pizza preferences, right? They get your email that having the password say summer 2024 and some symbol. They immediately take that combo and run it against big sites like Gmail, Amazon, Instagram, and your banks, right? And if you have reused even a different variation of that password, it's often only a matter of time before they get in, right? Your email is the master key to your digital life, we all know. If they have that, they can reset your password and they can use that thing for malicious thing, correct? One weak link breaks the entire chain. So how do we fix it? You might be thinking like how I am supposed to remember hundreds of unique and complex password. The answer is very simple. You don't. You use a password manager. A password manager is secure digital vault that creates store strong random unique password for single site you use. It does all the hard work for you. You only need to remember one master password, the one for the vault itself. Make that one incredible strong password for that vault and set it or keep it with you. I personally recommended Bitwarden because it's a powerful and has a great free plans for all the users, and it's free for us. There's another fantastic password vault which is like one password. You can use it too. The important thing is to pick one and start using it. So here is your action plan for today. First, choose a password manager. Go with Bitwarden or one password. It takes your 5 minutes to sign up. Second, start changing passwords. Begin with your most critical accounts like your emails, your bank, your social media. Let the manager generate a new long random password for each site. And never use and never reuse a password again for any new site you sign up for. Use password manager. So mistakes like password reuse, we get danger like the domino effect, And action what we need to perform is like change email, bank, social media password today, I would say right now. So fixing this one mistake is the single biggest security upgrades you can do this year. It will make your life safer 99% than other people what there is in online. So at the end, if you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more simple tips to stay safe online. I'm Weber Parmar and I will see you in next video. At the end, thanks for watching this video guys and have a wonderful day, and let's go ahead and watch demo. Thank you.
Type that, you will come up with this site, bitwarden.com. Just click to that, and then you can say get started free. So if you are not buying it for your any business use, then you have to go for the personal one and see you have a plan for the free. And what you will get, you will get unlimited devices, pass key management, all the core functions, always free. And if you want to buy with some money you need to pay, you will get other features like integrated authenticators, file attachment, emergency access, security report, and more. And for the families, you can buy more things. And if you are a business user, then you have other plan as you will go to the business, and from here you will see like what else you will get, like granular access control, passwordless SSO integration, easy account recovery, flexibility to self-host, free family plans for all users, and all those things. So for now, we say we can use it for the personal and we will create it as a free. So once I click that, I'll put my password, which is for my Gmail account, right? So you can use this one, like I can use this one, or I can use the other one, which is for my YouTube account, firewallgan@gmail.com. And I would say preferred server location. Let's have this one and say sign up. So please check your emails. I'll have to check my email. Let me see if I got the notification there. Let's now need to relog in it to get it downloaded, those software. So my email ID is firewallgan@gmail.com. I say continue. I would say password. Let's see. I log in with that. So yeah, I logged in. You will see choose your plan. It's a free one, and I can say secret manager for 2-person organization. If you want to subscribe that, you can subscribe that, and you can proceed with that. So now it's asking me it's a free one, and the organization name is required. So I would say the Security Academy. You can type any name, mostly it will work. So after that, you have to submit it, and you will see the things got created. And over here, you can say new and say login. And here I say, for example, I need a password for my say LinkedIn account. So I'll just give it a name like LinkedIn. I give it a username, say test one. I give it some complex password, for example, which I don't have to remember. I'm sure if I can just copy this password here, I can copy it. Yeah. So I can create something like this complex password. If I like to add something more, more complex anything which is not able to understand by the attacker, I can do it like this. All right, then I say save. So once it's saved, you're good to go. You have to just close this, and then you have to go to this password manager. You see here, and once you are here, you will see your all the accounts what you have set up. For example, I have set up for the LinkedIn, so I'll just say copy password from the LinkedIn, and I say let me just copy it to the LinkedIn side. I can go ahead and copy that to the LinkedIn side. For now, I'm just showing you like on a notepad, I can copy this password, right? I can paste this password, and same I can put it onto the LinkedIn side. So like that, you can create your password vault and use it. Only thing is that you need to remember the password for this vault, not for rest of the accounts. All you can get it from here. So this is the best way to get a security. So guys, thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.